Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 1.
Pup cup time.
Well, we have to go to Starbucks. We have to get, we gotta get a coffee. We gotta get some puppuccinos for the girls. For the girls. I'm so excited. Yesterday, the day you're watching this, I posted the behind the scenes of my intro and the magazine and everything that goes into that. So if you didn't see it, go see it. We're rocking the merch. It goes live the 5th. Do you ever do this? Because this is a great angle.
I don't have
a screen like that.
A screen like that or a mic like that.
Oh, I'm not extra.
Yeah, you are.
Also extra, I feel like the word extra is so out and like there needs to be bouge, I guess. I don't know.
You're just a lot.
I'm just a lot. Oh my god, I'm on the wrong setting.
What's the wrong setting?
There's no audio on this whole clip.
Sweet Jesus.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks.
Could we get a grande iced sugar cookie almond milk latte, as well as a spinach feta wrap? Also a large iced coffee with almond milk.
Any sweetener in this?
2 stevia.
See you at the window, thank you.
Pup cups?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Are we forgetting the pup cup?
Yes, can we get 2 puppuccinos?
I knew it, I got you covered.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you at the window.
Okay, bye. Oh, perfect. Ash, they're little, so it's good.
Yay, lady.
Good girl. Oh, she wants more. She put her paw.
Can you sit?
Happy Vlogmas day 1.
Happy Vlogmas day 1, ladies.
This is only gonna happen today. Don't get used to it. Look at her.
Bang.
Bangs.
Happy Vlogmas.
She said ho ho ho. And for everyone who says I don't love Chloe anymore. Guys, it has been a morning. I was awake in bed, like still laying down. And the next thing I know, my alarm is going off saying that there is an intruder. I was like, it's come, my time has come. Thankfully, we're fine. Somehow one of the sensors on my alarm system got tripped or something like that. There was no burglar, there was no intruder, but that put me into a spot. I literally shot out of bed and I was like, oh my God, I like grabbed Rosie. Like I had a morning, but we're here, we're alive, and I couldn't be more grateful to be spending December with y'all.
And me.
And you. She said she's gonna move out and then she still just comes over every day.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
Look at that. We
Right
gotta
on.
fix that face.
They loved those puppuccinos. Goals and plan for the day is right now. Why does that girl look like Taryn?
Oh my God, yeah.
It looks
right there.
No. Oh my God, I thought someone was yelling at me. Hot mess. Okay, I'm gonna stop so I don't get in an accident.
Yeah.
We're home. It wouldn't be a Vlogmas day 1 moment, if we didn't decorate for Christmas. Normally, growing up, we always decorated the day after Thanksgiving. I guess we could just vlog it early, but I don't know, I feel like our new tradition is vlogging it on December 1st. We got the Christmas tree out, we got decorations out, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. So get ready for the most epic Christmas decorating vlog you ever did see. Okay, so first things first. I got these faux cowhide looking rugs for the new office, but there's an extra one. So I'm like, do I put one down? Do you like that vibe? 100%. Should we try it? I'm pretty sure one's cream and then one's white. So I feel like either would look really good. Actually, I just don't know which one's which. Okay, wait, look at that one. It's like a white.
Or you just cut it.
I'm so impatient.
But that's longer than cutting it.
But I'm the kid who ripped open cereal boxes.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
They look the same.
Then let's do that one. Oh, it's pretty.
It's cute, right? Get your little bean toes
This
off.
is literally what happened with my couch, bro.
But it's so cute. I just feel like it'll look good so the wicker isn't directly on the wood because it's clearly 2 different wicker, wood shades. Okay, honestly, I'm really vibing with this. I feel like this, boom, tree, let's get it. We always forget to do this until the tree's done, and it's the most complicated thing ever to do when the tree's there.
Poking you in the face.
I swear, if there's this pea spot on this, ladies, I will. No more puppuccinos, okay? If you have a fake tree, get gloves and put them with your tree, and that way, it's the biggest game-changing thing ever of when you're trying to fluff it, because that shit hurts, you know what I mean? Game-changing!
Oh, man. I think we need a bench.
I think we got it.
Yeah?
We got it. No, throw it, okay? There we go. There we go. Yes! We're still gonna need it. Okay, rug obsessed with. Tree's fully up. Now we gotta get the ornaments out. I've talked about these ornament containers every single year, but this is the first year that I'm like, ooh, they're getting a little flimsy. Like I grabbed them just now, the whole bottom part almost came off. I have 3, boom. Do you have a favorite ornament?
I do. It's this one, I think.
It's so you.
It's very me. I also love this star.
Yeah, that's a cool one. We got most of our ornaments, honestly, from like Target. I feel like the base of them are all these like clear bulbs. This one was from Target. Where is it? And this one was from Anthropology. And obviously, like, I love this one, but I feel like it's such an easy DIY. Obviously, this one's from Target. If you know, you know. Fun fact, I used to take ice skating lessons, so, I mean, I wasn't good.
Like at all.
Like at all. I mean, I loved it. I could skate, but I'm not like, you know, but we got those. Oh, we also got these wooden snowflake ones from Target, and I would say these are some of my favorites because they really stand out a lot, which is super nice. Cute! Pine cone or icicle? Which do y'all like better? Comment below. I think I'm team pine cone. Normally I'm icicle, but like, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it adds a lot. Also, if you want to do the cutest DIY for Christmas, like home decor DIY, all you need are 3 different sized disco balls. You can get them off Amazon for pretty damn cheap. Okay, me getting back into my DIY days. Cut off the bottom part of the biggest one, okay? It should look like this, and that way it can sit on the ground. Also, you can see my reflection. Then you're gonna take the next biggest one, do the same thing, cut the bottom. You already see where this is going, especially if you saw the behind the scenes vlog of my intro, okay? Last but not least, you're gonna take the smallest one, do the same thing. Also, am I the only one who had no idea disco balls were made out of styrofoam? Cause like, what the fuck? Like, I literally was like, what? I had no idea. Put it on top, and as you can see, we have the cutest effing snowman you ever saw. I think I wanna put him in this corner. Oh my God, like how cute is this? I saw this photo on Pinterest. I'll put it here on the screen. Completely inspired by that photo. They even like glued a carrot on it, which made it look so cute, but we didn't do that. But I thought it was so cute having this little disco ball snowman, and it's actually very inexpensive to do because all you need are just the 3 disco balls. And cutting it was way, way, way easier than you would think because it's styrofoam. Like it actually cuts so easy and so simple. I still need to find a Santa hat to put there, but this is the cutest thing ever. Also, we had a parallel apparel restock today. I've been obsessed with seeing you guys wearing everything. Like it's been so awesome. But there is a restock on the Not Your Baby tee, the cardigan, cami, and skirt. So if you wanted any of those and they were sold out of your size or the color that you wanted, it is restocked now. So go shop parallelapparel.com, baby. Yeah. Okay, took a little break. We cleaned up a little bit and I just posted the reel showing the cover of the magazine. So for the intro, as you saw, it's just gonna be me flipping through each day, but I have to film that right now because I haven't filmed it yet. So that's what we're gonna do while it's still light out. Where do you think I should do it? Here, right? Remy let me borrow, she has this like overhead tripod thing that she uses for cooking with Remy. We sent it in an Uber from her place to mine. So that way the camera can be like directly over. I think it'll work. I hope it doesn't scratch the table though, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I think it worked. I did all 25, so hopefully now I can just like insert each of the things. But this little gimbal situation, this is Glide Gear. I think they sell this on Amazon because I was looking to buy one. Then I remembered that Remy had one, so I asked to borrow hers, but I wanna say it's like $200. And honestly, if you have a small business, if you have an Etsy shop and you're needing flat lays, I'm about to buy this just so we have one for all of our stuff with like parallel and everything. Anytime you try to do a flat lay on a tripod, it's like still at an angle and then you see the tripod feet and it's just not the vibe. Did get a tripod that like has an arm that goes out. I don't know if you guys remember that Amazon haul that I did. However, unless you have someone holding it or a sandbag, it will tip over because I'm dumb. I didn't even think about the fact that if you put a camera, it's gonna be heavier so it weighs it down. So something like this is amazing. Glide Gear. I'll have it linked. Just ordered some food. It should be here any second. I'm starving. Okay, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna head to Barnes & Noble because tonight we're going to this benefit event and it's really cool. We're gonna be bringing like children's books and stuff to donate. I almost ordered them online and then part of me was like, I wanna go to Barnes & Noble, like pick them out. Like I wanna find If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. Like that was my fucking shit. Was there any children's book that you guys were upset? The ballet slipper. Dancing Bears. So, lunch break. Still have the rental in case you were curious. It is actually pretty cold today. Yeah, it even started like sprinkling earlier, which is kind of odd. You know, good old Southern California. My fucking bangs. You look really cute.
I feel really cute. Right here.
Oh, right now. Oh, you are here. And we are here.
Oh. I'm feeling an artsy one.
Cute. You're so aesthetic. Oh my god. Aesthetic. Oh, look at you fixing your cup. That's so cute. Cute.
Very. Oh.
She
Very
loves
cute.
it.
Whoa! I almost died. Oh my god, that was crazy.
I literally almost got ran over. The Very Hungry Cat. Like I remember being in preschool reading that. Well, I didn't read it. Someone read it to me.
Ash bonus content.
We have Go to Bed Goat. A Very Hungry Caterpillar Eats Breakfast. Curls, which I thought was really cute. Trucks. You did? No. Yeah! Is the pig one there too? If you give a mouse a cookie. Y'all, this shit slapped. This shit slapped. I was always so happy for him. Yes! It reminds me of Chloe.
Wait, I'm so glad they still make them.
Nice selection if you ask me. Okay, y'all, actually, hold on, 2 seconds. We're back from the event. I'm actually at Ashley's, if you can't tell. I was like, oh my god, we're gonna crash here tonight. So, the funniest thing happened, and long story short, we get dressed for the party. I'm wearing, you know, the really cute, like, blue lingerie dress that the boobs are basically mesh, so you can't really see my nips, but like you can kind of see my nips, you know. Also, I'm wearing my fuck off slippers. Long story short, we pull up to valet, we get out of the car. We notice everyone by valet, and I mean everyone, is like 5-star black tie. I'm talking suits, long dresses, pea coats, heels, like very, very nice. I'm holding the literal children's books that I bought to like kind of cover myself because I was like, oh, I should cover up a little bit. Like everyone's dressed really nice here. Then we walk in, we go up to the front desk and say, hey, we're here for the benefit event. We go, the what? We go, oh, the benefit event. And around that time, when I could see their faces, I realized we are at the wrong location. We're not at the right place, which explains why these people are confused with, you know, what we're trying to say. It just makes sense with the looks we were getting from outside. They weren't mean looks, which I actually really appreciated. So then as we're leaving, you know, we're trying to hurry up and get our car before valet takes it, because then we'd have to stand for 10 minutes, you know, with all these other people as I'm like, just chilling there. And then I hear a familiar voice, and that's when I turn, and I am literally in the moment, I'm like, I am making eye contact with Finn Wolfhard. I hope that's how you say his name. AKA Stranger Things. Mike from Stranger Things. He was so much taller than I knew he would be tall, but I was so much taller than I thought he'd be. I'm in fucking lingerie. I look like ridiculous. And thank God the car was still there, so we hopped in the car, and then we did go to the right location for the benefit party. That was our night. It was so fun. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 1, and I'll see you tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 2. Love you, bye.